Hey guys, what's going on? So, I don't know what you guys do for Christmas with your family, but with my in-laws, they have a really huge family. My husband has like five brothers and sisters, and then they're all married, so it's just too much to buy gifts for everybody. So, with the girls, we do a Secret Santa every year. So, I really didn't know what to get my sister-in-law. Got one of them for Secret Santa. So I asked her husband what I could get her, and he recommended that she needs a recipe book to write all her recipes in. Like her mom's recipes, family recipes, stuff that you wouldn't normally get, like in a cookbook, and just recipes, I guess, that you could find online and write down. And I think it's something nice and different other than, reading the recipe from your iPad or whatever. Sometimes it's just really nice to have something to actually write in. And I don't know, sometimes when I find like when I write, it relaxes me a little bit because I'm so used to doing everything online now. So I think that maybe it's a little old school, but I like it. I think that it's a nice idea to be able to write your own recipes down. So I found this one online. I thought it was really cute. So this says my favorite recipes, and then it has words in the back and like the form of a chef's hat. So it says baking, good, cookies, cakes, food is medicine, kitchen, home, recipe book, journal, bakery, dough, I'm the chef, oven, delicious, ingredients, hungry, savory, my yummy food, full flavored, best cooking, homemade, life, pan, master chef, flavorful bread, making temperature, recipes, my heavenly dish, own, breakfast, cooking, fun, family, own, cooking, meals, my favorite recipes, happy, best recipes, spicy, flavored, happiness, appetizing, food is love, yes it is, write down directions, DC recipes, wine, happy, ideas, traditional, dinner time, serving, mouth-watering, size, best cook, easy, exquisite, my recipe, ideas, enjoyable meals, my best journal, easy meal, try my very tasting, impressive, well-seasoned cooking with love, how to, tempting, and delicious. So I like that all these words kind of have to go with the, of course, the cooking and that everything of that nature. I like the border on here. It looks like a picnic table almost, really pretty. The coloring's nice. It almost looks like a yellow gold. And then here it says the collection of my favorite recipes. Let me turn the page. This is copyright 2018, Happy Books Hub, all rights reserved. For any inquiries or questions regarding our books, please contact us at happybooksHub@gmail.com, ISBN 978-1987-514-100. Table of contents. You can write the recipe name and the notes so you know which page to go to look. So flip through the table of contents here. I like that this is more than just like a journal, it like actually has stuff written in it, so you can kind of do things in whatever order you want. And then it actually has like a whole place for you to list ingredients and directions, plenty of room for that. I think it's cool. You could put your own rating, difficulty, how many people it serves, the cooking time, best served with what kind of wine, and little notes there too. I think that's really cool. See how many pages it has. Plenty and plenty of room for lots of recipes in there. On the back here it says Happy Books Hub, and there's the barcode on the back. Made in the USA in Middletown, Delaware, December 9th, 2018. Just recently. Maybe they made this book special for me because I literally just ordered it around that time. Comes with this page that says, hey there, this blank recipe journal is brought to you by Happy Books Hub. We have a passion for creating books that can improve and add joy to people's lives. Hopefully this book will accomplish just that for you. If you have any suggestions on how to improve it or what we can change or add to make it more useful, particularly to you, please don't hesitate to contact us at happybooksHub@gmail.com. We would be more than happy to consider how to apply your suggestion to this journal's next edition. Thank you for buying my favorite recipes journal. Please support us and leave a review. Love, Happy Books Hub. And then it has these in the back, common ingredient weights for all different ingredients that are commonly used, the weight, the temperature, measurements, cups, spoons, and liquids. These are just some handy kitchen references that they have listed in there. And oh, so perfect, 100 pages that it has here to list all your most favorite ingredients, family ingredients. I think this is nice to always keep and to give to somebody. I know there's like many recipes in my family that I want to keep for myself and make sure I always have it on hand and give to my future kids when the time comes, because I think it's so nice to keep family recipes. Like, you know, there's always like, oh, grandma's famous cookies, or, you know, my grandma had a wonderful recipe for lentil soup that was my favorite. And I think it's nice to keep all these and to just kind of have something that you could write in, like writing therapy. So I hope you guys found the video useful. This was my favorite recipes recipe book, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, everybody.